Hello, and welcome to the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Certificate. I'm so excited that you're here. My name is Joy, and I'm a product marketing manager at Google. I'll be your instructor for the first course of this certificate program. The demand for digital marketing and e-commerce specialists is growing at an incredible rate. In about a decade, the global e-commerce market grew by over 600%. And as more of the world starts doing business online, more people with varied backgrounds and experiences are entering the field, which means e-commerce is adapting to serve new markets and different cultures. With so much global growth, digital marketing and e-commerce offer high-paying jobs with or without a college degree. But while the demand for digital marketing and e-commerce skills is higher than ever, employers are struggling to find candidates with the right experience. That's exactly what this program is designed to do, to give you the knowledge and skills to start or advance your career in digital marketing or e-commerce. It doesn't matter if you're beginning a new career journey or already working in a similar role. By the end of this program, you'll be ready to find a job in these high-growth, high-impact fields. If you've ever bought anything online, you're familiar with e-commerce from the customer side. But what do digital marketing and e-commerce specialists actually do? Well, think about the last time you purchased something online. Big or small, it doesn't matter what it was. How did you end up buying that particular product? Maybe you needed something specific, like a new lamp or a piece of software, and you searched online to find just the right one. Or maybe it was something you didn't know you needed until you learned about it from a friend or an online ad. Digital marketing and e-commerce specialists probably played a role in helping you get what you needed. Whether it's through social media outreach or making sure the checkout process runs smoothly, they're always thinking about better ways to connect you, the customer, with the solutions and products you need. And in doing so, they help businesses of all sizes succeed and grow in the online marketplace. One of the best things about digital marketing and e-commerce is that there are so many different career paths you can take, each with their own set of skills and responsibilities. So, no matter what your background is, you'll probably find that you already have some relevant experience. For example, I work full-time in digital marketing and have experience running e-commerce stores outside of work. I studied public relations in college and eventually interned at Google, which turned into a full-time position. I also spent years helping my family run their online store, which eventually led me to start my own e-commerce beauty business. If you're not sure what direction you want to take, that's okay. This program will give you an overview of different types of available jobs. It will also let you explore certain specialized skill sets to help you figure out where you want to take your career. The program includes several courses where you'll cover topics like attracting customers through search engines and online ads, engaging customers on social media, and creating email campaigns. You'll also learn about measuring and analyzing results, managing customer relationships, optimizing an e-commerce store, and preparing for jobs. Completing a Google career certificate like this one will help you develop skills and learn how to use tools that will make you ready for a job in a fast-growing, high-paying field. You don't need any prior experience or knowledge in digital marketing or e-commerce because this certificate is going to start with the basics and build on the skills you already have. I'll be by your side throughout this first course, making sure that you're learning the foundational knowledge needed to succeed in the field. You'll also have a supportive network of peers taking the certificate at the same time as you. This program is also really flexible. You can complete all of the courses in this certificate on your own terms and at your own pace, all online. In addition, the Google Career Certificates were designed by industry professionals with decades of experience here at Google. You'll have a different expert from Google to guide you through each course in this certificate. We'll share our knowledge in videos, help you practice with hands-on activities, and take you through real scenarios that you might encounter on the job. You'll make customer personas, write marketing emails, use analytics tools, build a portfolio, even create a mock e-commerce store. The certificates are designed to prepare you for a job in 3 to 6 months if you work on the certificate part-time. And once you graduate, you can connect with over 150 employers who are interested in hiring Google Career Certificate graduates. Whether you're looking to switch careers, start a new career, level up your skills, or build a business, the Google Career Certificates can open doors to new opportunities. We've gathered some amazing instructors to support you on your journey, and they'd like to introduce themselves now.
Hello, my name is AK. I'm the Sales Excellence Lead here at Google. I'll be teaching you about attracting and engaging customers. We'll cover topics like marketing funnel, search engine optimization, and search engine marketing.
Hey there, I'm Cindy. I'm a product marketing manager for Google Ads. I'll be your instructor for social media marketing and advertising, which is about incorporating social media into your marketing campaigns.
Hi, my name's Miriam, and I'm a product marketing manager for Google Ads. I'll be taking you through what goes into an email marketing campaign from start to finish. I'll teach you all about preparing, crafting, and sending emails to optimize your business's brand. I can't wait to get started.
Hello there, I'm Michael and I'm a senior account executive on Google's mid-market growth team, which partners with businesses on their Google advertising strategies. I'll be your instructor for marketing analytics. I'll teach you how analytics tools are used in performance marketing. You'll learn how to monitor key metrics for marketing campaigns and e-commerce.
Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm a sales excellence lead at Google. I'll be guiding you through the course on e-commerce and selling online. Together, we'll explore how e-commerce stores work and how to engage customers.
Hello, I'm Mike and I'm a Global Performance Curriculum Manager here at Google. I'll be your instructor for the final course of the program. There, we'll discuss how to build customer loyalty and other e-commerce topics.
And my name is Erica. I'm a people consultant at Google. My job is to help managers, leaders, and Google employees grow in their roles to help our organization reach their goals. I'll be guiding you on how to prepare for your upcoming job search and land a career in digital marketing and e-commerce.
And of course, you already know I'll be guiding you through Course 1. This is such a great time to grow your career in digital marketing and e-commerce. Sound exciting? Let's get started.